this Explorer, and I want you to click on this PC, or my computer, local disk, C, click on MAMP, htdocs, and you'll see here they have an index and a MAMP logo. So I want you to select that, hit delete, okay? I want you to right click, and we're going to call this demo.com, okay? Now go inside of there, right click, click new, and type in CSS. Do the same thing, right click, click new, folder, do IMG, and that will do it. So close this down, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to double click on MAMP now on our little icon here, and we're going to turn on the server, okay? Because right now it may not, okay, so it's on. But make sure this is on, okay? And then click Open Start Page. Okay. Why is it doing that? That's weird. Let's look at this and see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to type in localhost. There's demo.com. Okay, so it's working. So this is going to be our environment now. So we're not going to be using any more of this. I'm going to close all that out. And this is what we're going to be working off of. So hit demo.com and then just minimize this page. And what we're going to do is we're going to minimize that. And let's go into Sublime Text where we have our project here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click File, New Window, and we're going to close the project we had before. Okay, so we have a brand new window open. We're going to click Project, Add Folder to Project, click this PC, Local Disk C, MAMP, htdocs, demo.com. Select the folder, and now we have our CSS folder and our image folder right there. And if we type HTML, no, that's my incorrection. I'm going to hit Control N, and we're going to hit Control S. We're going to type in index.html, but we're not going to save yet because you see where we're at here. We're in the CSS folder, so we want to click HTML and click desktop because we're not going to save it on the desktop. We're going to click this PC, local disk C, MAMP, htdocs, demo.com. Now hit save, okay? So what we did was we saved it in here, and now what we're going to do from now on is we're just going to right-click here and make a new file, make a new folder, that kind of thing. So let's do that. In the CSS folder, if you right-click on the CSS folder, click New File, hit Control-S, type in main.css, and make sure when you're up here that you're checking the directories. So it's MAMP, htdocs, demo.com, CSS, okay? So there's main.css, so we're going to save that, and that's good. Okay, and we're good to go. So, one more thing I'm going to do is we're going to type in HTML, we're going to hit Tab, okay, and then we're going to do our spacing. So we're going to go like that, and that's fine there, and we're going to comment this out. So this is going to be title of the page, okay, and so we're going to give it a title. So it's going to be called Demo. I'm going to hit Shift, and if you look at where the delete key is on your keyboard, to the left of that is like a pipe character. Hit that, and then we're going to type in home, okay? Now, one more thing I want to do is I want to set up the CSS before we go to the next video. So we're going to do left bracket, link, enter, and then we're going to type in CSS/main.css. We're going to hit Control-S to save that. We're going to open up main.css, excuse me, and we're going to type in body, left curly brace, return, font size 50 pixels. Actually, no. Background color. Background black. Okay? Save that, go back to index.html, open in the browser, And if we go here and return and refresh, localhost/demo.com, you'll see that the background is black and our CSS is linked, okay? So minimize that. Let's go here and we're going to delete all this. And in the next video, we're going to structure and build the structure for the homepage. I'll see you there.